When multiplying fractions, it's a good idea to cross-reduce before multiplying and having to reduce at the end. The first thing that you do is you look at the cross products, 5 and 9. Other than 1, 5 and 9 do not share a common factor, so it is already reduced to lowest terms. Let's look at 4 and 16. Other than 1, they share 2 and 4, but we want to go with the greatest common factor, and that would be 4. So let's reduce this by 4 and this by 4. And what that would give us is 1 over 9 times 5 over 4. And then you multiply across. 1 times 5 is 5. 9 times 4 is 36. And that is your final and reduced fraction. Here goes another problem where we need to cross-reduce and then multiply the fraction. Let's take a look at the cross products 3 and 9. Other than 1, 3 and 9 share a greatest common factor of 3. So we're going to divide each of these by 3. 3 can go into 3 once. 3 can go into 9 3 times. Now let's take a look at the cross products 5 and 10. Other than 1, they share a greatest common factor of 5. So we're going to divide this by 5 and this by 5. 5 goes into 5 once. 5 goes into 10 twice. Now you simply multiply across. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6 for a final and reduced fraction of 1/6. And one last example of how to cross-reduce and multiply fractions. Let's take a look at the cross products of 4 and 8. Other than 1, 4 and 8 share a greatest common factor of 4. So let's divide these by 4. 4 goes into 4 one time. 4 goes into 8 twice. Next, let's look at the cross products of 2 and 12. Other than 1, 2 and 12 share a greatest common factor of 2. So let's divide these by their greatest common factor. 2 goes into 2 once, and 2 goes into 12 6 times. Now multiply across. 1 times 1 is 1, and 6 times 2 is 12. And that is your final and reduced fraction, or your fraction reduced to lowest terms. If you have any questions, please post them in the Q&A forum on the website. Thanks.